Do you want to know how you can log into your Thomson Reuters Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Thomson Reuters Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Thomson Reuters Payroll Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of Thomson Reuters. You can also click on translate and translate this and click sign in, which is over here, or you can also click sign in, which is over here. This is two different things. It's the pro view and the first one was the checkpoint, so you can choose your one and go ahead and click on these. You can see that you can log in using your username or your email address. So go ahead and write down your username or your email address on the first box. Go ahead and open the second box and write down your password and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Thomson Reuters Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or your password, click on this link over here and recover your password once again. You can also save your username and password by clicking on this button. So guys, this is how you log into your Thomson Reuters Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.